Brillo pad to these headlights. These are really badly scratched, so I'm going to see what I can do. More aggressive than I normally do on headlights just because these scratches are really bad. Then I'm going to sand it. Sand it, sand it, sand it, sand it. Back and forth motion you don't really want to do. And you see how the plastic headlight trying to just kind of like call stage 2 because the taping really isn't. I mean, it is 2000. Again, wet it, wet it, wet it. So we are reducing. Okay, so this is the stage 3 with the 3000. Ugly. We took care of it.